A and B can do a piece of work in 6 days, and A alone can do it in 9 days. In how many days B alone can do it? Now, let's assume the total work to be the LCM of the times given, which are 6 and 9. So, the LCM of 6 and 9 comes out to be 18. So, let's assume the total work to be 18 units. Now, A and B can do a piece of work in 6 days. Now, rate is always W upon T. Therefore, A plus B will be 18 upon 6, that is 3 units per day. And A alone can do it in 9 days. So, rate for A will be 18 upon 9, that is 2. Now, A and B together is 3, A alone is 2. That means B alone will be 1. Now, time is always work upon rate. So, therefore, time required for B to complete the job will be W, that is 18, upon B's rate, that is 1. So, answer comes as 18 days. So, answer will be option C.